When I was a little fella, my grandma would always call me over to help her bake steak and kidney pies. So I guess you could say that it's a little bit of a historic dish for me. Now this is my interpretation because obviously she wouldn't give up her recipe, but I hope that you can enjoy it. This is just a little bit of country cooking, something different. We'll get back onto the Uncle Mod recipe soon. So as with making any other stew, you want to get something that's got a good amount of connective tissue, a good grain of meat, and a nice fat content. I use chuck steak for this one, but anything from the front half of a cow will work. Things that'll break down slowly over time, you know? Slice up your kidneys as you wish. I like chunky boys, so I keep it like that. Proceed to chop onions. Chop it as chunky as you like. Some people like a big bit of onion in their pie. I personally, no, just chunks of meat, thanks. This flour mix has salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a hint of nutmeg, just for that extra little oof, you know what I mean? Chop your mushrooms nice and fine. You'll see here that I've got two different sizes. I kept all of the small Swiss browns to the side and I added those in whole. It was just a bit of a textural thing and I really enjoyed it. Flip off your mushrooms, of course. As always, fry your aromatics. With these ones, you just want to sweat them for a little bit. Don't want to get any color onto these just because it may add a little bit of bitterness to the pie. Chuck your meat in the pan, get that looking nice and crispy golden brown. Do that in a couple of batches just so you don't crowd the pan and it'll just cook a bit quicker. So you want to quickly fry off your kidneys. They don't need much, and from there just chuck everything back into the pot. Once you've got it in there, through the layers, you want to mix it up just so that everything gets evenly distributed. In with the mushrooms, and then in with the stout. This is the part that makes it a good steak, kidney, and mushroom pie. I'm going to chuck in a few cups of stock and a good slug of Worcestershire, you know what I mean, with salt and pepper to taste. Bring all that back to the boil and we're into the oven for 2 hours. Now you've got 2 hours to spare and find something to do. Hell, take the dog for a walk if you have to. Let's go! Ready?
Go! How exciting! Let's go for a walk. What way are we going? Let's go that way. Yeah. Whoa. Quick smell. No, we don't have time. Duke, come on. Let's go. There's so many mozzies out here, bro. We're gonna get this done. Holy shit. They are eating me. Oh no, there is 200% too many mozzies out here. I can feel them trying to get through my clothes. Let's go back inside. Ah. Okay.
So that was a resounding failure. After about 2 hours, your filling should have reduced to a nice, real thick mix. From there, all it takes is to let that cool down for a little bit and we're on to filling our pies. Measure out your pastry with the rim of your pie tray. Don't forget to do this in the most difficult way possible, like me. Yeah, always gotta possibly cut yourself. Now onto the filling. I like a nice overfull pie in this situation. You always get those nice crispy bits from where the sauce bubbles up into it. It's, oh yeah. Do some very subpar pastry decoration work. And get onto some nice egg wash. This will give your top a nice golden brown. Into the oven at 200 degrees till golden and crunchy, and you, my friend, have made yourself a steak kidney and mushroom pie, a la Uncle Mott style. So, give it a go. Tell me how you think. I'll add the recipe down below. Not sure what happened to the audio here, I think it's just dropped out. But basically, that's your bloomin' lot. You've got your pie, you've got a wee bit of mashed potato, and that should be ideal. As always, I've been Uncle Mod. Tune in next week. Not sure what we're doing yet, but it'll be delicious.
Come on, buddy. You did just as much of this hard work as I did. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Duke. Hey. How's your pie, buddy? Yeah, you're busy. I'll come back later.